everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. This is my first video filming with my hair and I love it so much. Today's video is a chit chatty get ready with me, even though it wasn't so chit chatty, but it is a bit chit chatty. I'm getting ready to go to a Women in Tech event that is being hosted by the Assembly and Made Culture. I was personally invited and I just feel so good about it, like being invited to such an event. I'm gonna be showing you guys my makeup and my outfits. Quick warning, because I'm filming in the morning and the sun is literally rising as I'm filming, the light kind of goes up and down, up and down, up and down, so I apologize about that. Also, I cannot find my mic. I don't know where the fuck my mic went. I'm so upset. So if the sound isn't as good as you guys are used to, I apologize. I'm about to put in an order for a new mic and I'm so upset because that was an expense that I did not want to do. But yeah, if you're still interested in watching how I got this look and talking about my life and, you know, just general stuff, please continue. But also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to join my family here on YouTube. Also, please do me a huge favor and click on the notification bell so that you will always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. All right guys, not wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. All right, so let's get started with beating this face. I am looking really good. My skin is looking better. I've been having issues with my skin. I was getting a bunch of texture and I realized it was from a cream that I was testing out and reviewing, and apparently the cream is clogging my pores. It's too thick. It's a day cream, but it's too thick for my skin. So I think if you have dry skin, it'd be really good for you because it's like really moisturizing, but it's too moisturizing for me. Put the review of the cream in the description box below so you can read and check it out. Now that my hair is bleach blonde, I hardly use the black pencil anymore. If I do, it's really at the ends to kind of give it a bit more definition. But since I dyed my hair this color, I've been using the Brown Davis pencil to fill in my brows. A darker color with this hair would look so like too much. It would look too harsh. So I just used the Brown Davis pencil. That was fast. I have no brows. Like literally on the ends of my brows is nothing. So I literally have to build myself new brows all the time. I don't want my makeup for this event to be too heavy, but I do want to look really nice today. I am going for the, I can't remember the official name, but it's basically a Women in Tech clinic, entrepreneurship clinic and stuff like that, for us to network with other women in tech and get advice and, you know, one of those mentorship stuff. And when I got the email that I was invited, I was like, wow, me? I'm invited for this? And then it made me realize that I am now actually like a woman, a creative woman in tech, and it's just like blowing my actual mind. Life comes at you very fast, to be honest. One minute you think this is the job you're gonna do for the rest of your life, the next minute you're in a completely new industry, completely new space. It's crazy, I swear, but I love it so much. I don't know what's happening with this brow right here. It looks funky, so I'm trying to correct it. God, this light is making me look so good. I hope I don't look too bright. I hope when it comes to editing, this looks fine. Just taking some concealer and taking my angled brush, I'm gonna clean up my brow. Make it, you know, have a nice shape. That's in my life. I went to go and cut off the end of this brow. Okay. Now I'm gonna blend this out. I really need to get studio lights. Like I really need to get lights so I can control the lighting. So I film on manual. I don't like the way automatic does the settings for me. So I film on manual so I can, you know, control the light settings and stuff like that. But filming on manual and having inconsistent light is annoying because every time the light changes, you now have to change your camera. Because if it's on automatic, your camera will automatically adjust the settings according to the light. I need to get studio lights so that I can control the light here and then have my settings on my camera and not have to touch it or do anything with it. That's the story of my life right now. I really want studio lights. So like I want just umbrella lights, and then I have a ring light and I need to buy the light for the ring light. So if I'm able just to replace the bulb in the ring light and I'm able to get 2 umbrella lights, I'll be able to film. Like I'll be able to have well-lit videos even at night. Yo, I've been filming for 10 minutes and all I've done are my brows. I'm gonna use the spoolie to blend out the front of the brow. Then I'm gonna take my brush and just pat the front like that. If the settings keep changing, I'm sorry. The sun is rising with a vengeance, like it is out for blood today. To finish up my brows, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Drama 12 Hour Sculpting Brow Mascara. I use this to keep my curly brows in check. If you're like me, I have curly eyebrows, and this is for you. I'm going to take some of that concealer that I had on the back of my hands for my brows and apply it to my eyelids. This is going to be our eyeshadow primer. I'm so excited about everything that's happening. I'm in a really interesting headspace. I'm in a good headspace right now. Like this Women in Tech event I got invited to, I swear to you, I don't know, it might not be a big deal for some people, but to me it's a big deal because like it just kind of made me realize that, oh shit, I am actually like a woman in tech right now. I'm a woman that works at a tech company. So yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Today's eyeshadow palette is the fave Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've already hit pan on 2 shades. That's to show you how much I love this palette. And it's funny, I'm about to use ginger now. Ginger is the perfect transition shade for me. It's like the perfect brown, especially when I'm doing like looks with like gold. And then Supreme is literally the perfect pink. Sometimes pastel shades are hard for darker skin girls because they don't have enough pigments and they're not made like for our skin tone to like really show up. So for the fact that there's this pink right here that shows up, it's also why I really like the Juvia's Place palettes, because those palettes have really bright and vibrant colors. I feel like those palettes are worth the actual money, to be very, very honest. So I'm just putting a nice wash of ginger all in my transition area. I forgot to mention, this look is the look I actually did for my social media week panel. It is going to have another element to it that I didn't do that day, but this is basically the same look. So we got ginger giving us a nice wash of color. Then I'm going to go into the shade Soleil. So I would go in Zam, but Zam is too sparkly for me, and I'm gonna make sure I extend Soleil into the crease as well, so we get that good all over golden glow. I love using my fingers to apply shades like this. You're able to really, you know, sometimes blend and sometimes really control. Then I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used to apply ginger. Just gonna make sure I blend that together. I want to apply a little bit more of Soleil, but I'm looking for a brush that I know I'm not gonna use later because I don't want to mess up my brushes. This is actually a brush that I use to really apply matte shades, but I'm going to take it and pop it into Soleil and use it to apply more of it to the crease right there. That's it. Literally just a little bit of it. I don't want to take too much on this brush. Put it in my crease and go back and forth. When you're doing looks that involve just basically like 2 eyeshadows like this, it's okay for you to have, in my opinion, your shimmery shade or your glitter shade enter your crease. I think it's fine, in my opinion. I always like having like an all over like glowy lid. So I see nothing wrong in that. We're going to do some eyeliner. I've really been into liquid liner lately. Like many of my looks have involved liquid liner. And I don't know, I think it's because I now have the Zaron HD liquid liner, which is a good liquid liner. I'm not really the fan of the applicator. I've been getting the best winged liner with this product. I don't know why. I don't know how it is. I don't know the science. I don't like the applicator of this, but I have been getting the best wings of like eternity. So I don't get it as well. Look at that. Look at that wing. Look at that wing. Look at that wing. That wing is perfect. Literally perfect. Eyeliner can smell your fear. There we go. We got eyeliner on. Mascara, you guys, you know, it's an all-time fave. The Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. Somebody asked me in my comment section that why am I not wearing lashes? I don't feel the need to have to wear lashes with all my looks. Besides, I'm into the school of thought that I would like to show that you're able to do your makeup and look good without the need of flirty or thick or heavy lashes. I love lashes though. I'm not saying that you shouldn't wear lashes. That's just me. I'm just like in that phase where I don't see the need of me having to wear lashes. You don't have to wear lashes. I think this is the problem. We have gotten so like addicted to this look. Like, oh, your makeup doesn't look particularly bomb without these big flirty lashes. Like, You don't have to have those big flirty lashes. You don't. You can look good with just your regular lashes. That's fine. We're done with the eyes. I really like what we've done here. It's very simple. Now it's time to move on to the rest of this. My skin has been doing so well. I'm just looking at myself in my mirror. Like, it's very good that I was able to pinpoint what was wrong and be able to remove it. And once I stopped using it, my skin just came back. Deola still doesn't have a primer. So she's gonna spray her face with finishing spray. This has almost finished, so I actually need to do better. Today's foundation is the Nubian Beauty In My Skin foundation. I use shades 12 and 13, you know, because Deola is such an in-betweener. She doesn't fit in a box. This by far is one of my favorite foundations, to be honest. Like, it's so beautiful. This is why, like, I don't ascribe to, like, you can always find your perfect shade when it comes to foundation. Sometimes it's really hard. You can find your shade in one brand and not find your shade in another. Skin tones are so different. I obviously have like an interesting mix of cool and warm undertones because I can use a neutral foundation and it doesn't look gray on me. Sometimes finding your perfect shade is hard. When people of color complain that there are not enough shades, it's not that they're looking for their perfect match, but that there's not even enough to match a majority of people. Like, for example, the Nubian Beauty foundation is so good and it has about, how many shades? I can't remember. It has a lot of shades, which means there is a wide variety for everybody. That means that there is a wide variety enough for me to actually mix with. There are some foundations that don't even give you, you know, enough variety for you to even like try and make something work. I think we got a good match. Yes, we did. When I mix this foundation, sometimes I can get the mix wrong. I can end up looking too neutral. I can end up looking too yellow. If there's any criticism I have about the Nubian Beauty foundations, is that they're not yellow enough. They're mostly red and neutral undertones. There are not a lot of yellow undertones. If there was a yellow foundation right in between these two, that would be my perfect shade. Now that my hair is blonde, I have to be careful about foundation on my edges. I'm going to layer my concealer. The first concealer I am going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to use this only under my eyes. When I came back from the mini vacation I had at Eco Hotel, I came and I cleaned my entire office. Like, I swept. I did everything. It felt so damn good to have my office clean. They were doing some construction work on the roof. So they were coming through my office, so that there was cement everywhere, there was dust, it was gnarly. I think that's even the reason why I can't find my mic. I think my mic is lost somewhere. I really like that mic. That mic was so affordable and so good. Like, once I started using that mic, you guys noticed a huge difference. Like, everybody was like, wow, your sound, wow, your sound. I was like, yeah, that mic was so good and now I can't find it. I'm upset. I'll get another one. There's so much stuff I want, so much tech stuff I want. I want a vlogging camera. The reason why I haven't been vlogging a lot is because something is wrong with the mic of my phone. Even now when I answer, when I'm on the phone, I have to be on speaker because they can't hear me well. Something is wrong. Which means like when I'm vlogging, the sound is weird, and you guys have said it. You guys have said, yo, Deola, the sound is acting up, which is why I haven't been vlogging a lot. It's so annoying. It's actually really annoying. So I want a vlog camera, I want a new mic, I want umbrella lights, I want so much stuff. Alright, I'm about to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 45. This is what I'm going to use to highlight my face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid, which is a liquid highlighter. I love this shade. I love this stuff. And it looks so good on the skin, believe me. So I have some on the back of my hand. I can't find the brush I usually bring it with. I usually use with, so I'm going to use my hands. Pop it right there. I'm gonna set the concealer with the Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. It's a really, really good setting powder. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh god, Deola, you're so beautiful. I've started doing this thing where when I'm doing my makeup, I hype myself up because, like, why not? So I'm just setting the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder in the shade Dark. Whew. I feel good. Ow. 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 Of course, we're gonna glow. We're gonna use the Yanga Beauty Candid Glow. This isn't an extra makeup look for me, do you know? Like, in my head, this is an extra. This is like muted glam, that kind of thing. Not soft glam, like muted glam. And I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna see me and be like, wow, she really she really went ham on the makeup. And in my head I was like, oh, you ain't seen nothing yet, boo. You've not seen me on a good day. This is a good day, but you've not seen me on those good days. I don't know, man. There's something about makeup and the way it just like transforms you. It makes you feel like you're the baddest bitch. Like, especially when you do like a look and you're feeling yourself. Especially if it's like a cut crease or one of those really technical looks. And when you're done, oh my god, you feel like the damn shit. You feel like the bomb.com, okay? That thing is so fun. I swear to you. Hello. Hi. When your glow enters the room before you. I love it. And it's so funny, I'm about to use a blush that has a little bit of glow as well. This is the BM Pro Satin Powder Blush in the shade Merlot. I don't know if BM Pro still has a makeup line anymore. I'm not lying, this is the only product I ever tried from the line. And the way this works doesn't make me like enthusiastic. It didn't make me really enthusiastic. I did at one point want to get some of her products, but I don't know. Something just could gel. Something didn't gel with me. So right now, I don't know. I've had this blush for a while actually. Maybe they're still in business, I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna spray my face down for the last time. And my skin is nice and set. Alright, we're gonna go back into Beautiful Aunt Jackie's palette. I'm just going to take ginger and run it across my bottom lash line. No, before I do that, I'm going to apply the Black Up waterproof pencil in the shade KS07. I love having gold on my waterline. Just opens up the eye, adds a beautiful element to the look. Now we are going to add ginger to the bottom lash line, just loosely, not too much. We're done. Done with that. Mascara is the last thing for the eyes. Mascara on. Last but not the least, we're going to be doing the lips. The lips that day was actually just one product, and this is the Zaron lipstick pen in the shade Vixen. Today, I'm going to top it off with the Clinique Raspberry Pop lipstick. So yeah, this is the look. This is what we have today. I am going to go change into my outfit and then show you what I'm wearing. So hey guys, this is what I'm wearing today. I am wearing a green chiffon shirt. I got it, I think, at the shopping party. And then these are striped three-quarter pants from St. Salem, and then I am just wearing like brown sandals. My bag where I put my laptop is there, then my other bag where my wallet and stuff is there. So yeah, this is what we are wearing today. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate you all. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.